So now students, after the numerical 1, now let us understand the numerical 2 and let us solve this numerical. The numerical, it says that from isoheights map, from isoheights, what are the isoheights? I have already told you, right? From isoheights map study at Roorkee, right? A maximum rainfall depth of 250 mm in 12 hours has a return period. Now return period is given to me as 100 years is the return period given to me, right? The probability of a 12-hour rainfall greater than or equal to 250 mm occurring at least once. Now this is also important, at least once in 50 years. Time period is given to me as 50 years is how much? So very straightforward question. The similar kind of question that we have already solved about the risk factor, right? Same question. So the solution would be like this. So the probability of occurring at least once will be equal to r greater than or equal to 1. That will be equal to probability of r equal to 1 plus probability of r equal to 2 plus so on, or it can be also equal to 1 minus probability of r equal to 0. Same one and the same thing, right? So let us solve this. So first of all, we have to calculate the probability of success, right? So probability of success that it is occurring in 1 year is 1 upon the time period. So how much is return period? That is 100 years. So 1 upon 100 is the probability of success, and Q is the probability of failure, that it will not occur in 1 year. That is 99 upon 100. 1 minus 1 upon 100, 99 upon 100, right? So now we have to apply this rule, right, for at least once. So 1 minus probability of r is equals to 0. So NCR, into q raised to power p raised to power r into q raised to power n minus r into q raised to power n minus r. So 1c, how much is n? N is 50 years. So for 50 years we have to calculate. Occurring, not occurring even once, that is r is equals to 0 into p raised to the power 1 upon 100 raised to the power 0 into q raised to power n minus r. So 99 upon 100. So 99 upon 100 raised to the power n minus r. How much is n? N is 50 minus 0. So that is 50, right? So how much it will be? It will be equal to 1 minus, this will be 1.99 raised to the power 50. So let's see how much it is coming. So it will come out to be, a lot of you would have already got the answer, 1 minus 0.99 raised to the power 50. The correct answer is 0.394. So 0.394, I guess D is the correct answer. Yes, D is the correct answer. So I hope that you have understood this numerical, right? 0.3944. That is, D is the correct answer. Clear? So I hope students that you have understood all the concepts of hydrology basics, the first chapter. Now let's move to the next topic. In next topic, I will be solving what I feel is the, or you can say a little bit of tricky questions that have been asked in previous year GATE examinations. So let's move forward and solve a few previous year GATE numericals which have already been asked in GATE examinations. Thank you.